Assalamualaikum children. Children, I am your teacher from Herald City School, Mont Senior. This is your English copy and today we will learn days of the week. Children, in our previous video we have done from Monday till Thursday and today we will do from Friday till Sunday. Now let's start our work. Children, you will make 2 columns like this on page and write Friday in both columns. Now let's start our work. And the spelling of Friday is F R I D A Y, Friday. Now write it again. F R I D A Y, Friday. Now children, you will also write in another column and the spelling of Friday is F R I D A Y, Friday. Now write it again. F R I D A Y, Friday. Now read it again. F R I Fry D A Y, day, Friday. F R I Fry D A Y, day, Friday. And children, after Friday comes Saturday. Saturday, and the spelling of Saturday is Satur, Saturday, day, Saturday. And you will write like this. Saturday, Saturday. Now write it again. Satur, day, Saturday. And now you will write in this column Satur, day, Saturday. Satur, day, Saturday. And children, after Saturday will come Sunday. Sunday, and now we will write here Sunday. SUN, Sun, DAY, day, Sunday. SUN, Sun, DAY, day, Sunday. Now write here now. SUN, DAY, day, Sunday. SUN, Sun, DAY, day, Sunday. Now write it again. SUN, Sun, DAY, day, Sunday. I hope children you will understand that how can we write the spelling of Sunday. Now you will write from Friday till Sunday at home in your copies with the guidance of your parents and learn and write the spelling of days of the week. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.